Good morning, it's Creepy Critter, and today I'm making potatoes. I don't know, I don't really feel like gaming right now, so I'm just making some potatoes. Maybe I'll pull some of the potato skins for the wonderful mealworms. If that video hasn't come up yet, I'm sorry. I'm not sure what order I'll upload these in. But I don't know, I just figured maybe it'd be nice to see what I eat when I'm not eating McDonald's, which is most of my meals, as well as Culver's. But not to say I'm like saying, oh yeah, you need to eat that or anything. It's just that I have a lot of food sensitivities, and believe it or not, those two places don't tend to tend to use things that upset my system. I'll go in more detail about it, but just a quick little brief thing about it is like, I can't have propylene glycol. Critter, my timer just went off to check on the potatoes. How funny. Anyway, I was just saying that propylene glycol makes me sick, so does a very similar molecule, citric acid, and we're not sure if it's because the citric acid is worse for me, or if it's because the propylene glycol is the one that's basically, when your body sees a similar, like very similar molecule, sometimes it'll just act badly even if that's not the issue, if that makes sense. It'll become an issue of its own, basically. So here we go, again, I'm into just a nice even layer. I know they're not cut up perfectly. I am not a chef, I'm just trying to make breakfast. And then after those are nice and golden, we plop these guys in separately. We'll be getting the oil off of these, and then we'll go ahead and put these in. I'm just working on trying to get it single layer as possible. See, like when this happens, I have to hold the spoon, separate it out. They're hot, so that's ouch. Well, how I just literally threw it on top of another one. Hopefully I can separate that. There we go. Alright, that looks pretty good. We got very little, if any, double ups here. Starting to look tasty, starting to smell tasty. Let me show you what that meat was. Chili powder, which I use instead of pepper because pepper is another one of those things that I just can't have. I am allergic to piperine in the pepper, so yes, a normal table seasoning, I cannot have it. My throat begins to close and everything. So it's not just like a, oh haha, it upsets my stomach. Like it's a, if I keep exposing myself to it, eventually I'm gonna need an EpiPen. So we just don't do that. And instead, what we do is some salt, and that is just this. Oh, well, it's not this one, but like it's more in. And then chili powder, which I don't know if I have down here, which is okay because I don't need to season it just yet. My husband probably just took it upstairs, and they probably have like 3 chili powders upstairs now because I use it a lot. Alright, so they're sizzling away, that's good. They'll be good like this for a while. I'm going to set a timer and just let them cook. Back after 8 minutes. They were on initially for about 5 to 8 minutes before that, so I think this is about 16 minutes, and they're not done yet. We still gotta get the other side crispy as we can. Basically just want to see mostly golden up, and we'll be good to go. Looks pretty golden. Maybe this spot here needs a little more flipping. Sorry if I'm not too good with holding the camera while I do this. I usually either film using QuickTime or a tripod. Well, not exactly, it's a mic stand with like a thing connected. Anyway, I gotta get a tripod so I can do more crafts. If you would like to support my family, please buy CityQuest on Steam. Okay, that's enough. And we'll just let these be for another, probably about 8 minutes. Here's my potatoes. They're looking done. So now we salt them and get them chilling off some. So let's first do this. I decided to cook them together this time. I don't usually do that, but that's okay. You don't need that much of a cook. You just need to get a little bit of brown on them, and the potatoes could use a little longer, so it's fine. I'll give this about 5 minutes, and then I'll check in on it, and yeah, looks pretty good to me. I have to send my husband upstairs for the chili powder. It looks good. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes. Looking real good. Things going on here. A little bit of color happening on the sausage. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now we have chili powder, because I can't use pipering, and I like something with a little bit of flavor. So, alright. So this is chili powder. And then I'll just a little bit. Just a little bit. And it might look like a lot, but like once I stir it in, it'll get on everything, and then there we go, that's better. And there's salt and syrup to counter the spice, so you can kind of go ham on it if you want. And if you don't have a pepper allergy, I used to make this with pepper before I had like a really bad allergy issue, or noticed the allergy issue I suppose it would be. And yeah, it is better that way. But I can't eat that way, so I have to make do, you do not. So if you want to make it with pepper, go for it. Now that we've mixed the chili powder in, which was this organic chili powder from Wild Harvest, I think it's just in Festival Foods. And if you look, chili pepper, sea salt, cumin, oregano, garlic, and you're like, oh my gosh, it's got pepper, da da da. No. Piperin from black pepper is what I'm talking about. Black pepper, white pepper, red pepper would all have that. But this is chili pepper, which is a pepper, not... So it's like a chili pepper is a vegetable. Whereas or maybe a fruit. I think it's a fruit because it bears seeds within it. And then a black pepper is just like a seed or something like that. So this does not come from the same plant, you guys. But yeah, it's got a little bit of cumin in it, which is nice. And so then after that, it's nice and good and stirred in, giving it a little while to take that in. You just take some salt. It doesn't really matter what salt. We have sea salt. I think this is just the regular Morton's iodized salt. And we have coarse salt, but like, for this, actually, you know what? Maybe I'll be fancy. It's the coarse salt. Okay, here's our coarse salt. Just put a little bit of that in there. This already looks so good, doesn't it, everyone? Oh. pretty jealous of us. Me and my husband get this for breakfast, and you do not. I mean, unless you're actually making it alongside me, and then you do, and I feel stupid. So, either way, all in fun. I joke. Yes, I realize I said that wrong. That was on purpose. I don't want any claims. Yes, from M&M. I'll get a claim from M&M. Oh, I would just be honored to get a claim from M&M, I think. Oh, look how gorgeous these are. They're almost done. I'll give them another minute or two. We want a little more color on some of these sausages. And the potatoes are fine. They're not getting overcooked or anything, so they're good in here. I'm going to give it another... Oh, and I probably didn't even tell you guys, this temperature is set to about 350-ish? No, sorry, that's 300. I don't know how to work these. So if this is warm, we got 200 to 250, so that would be 225. So this is, it's 275. That's my math. That was ridiculous. Math! Alrighty. This is what we're looking for. Oops, sorry about that. Look at that gorgeous golden brown potatoes. Look at those gorgeous golden brown sausages. Perfect. Done. It's ready to go. Alright. So now what I'm going to do is turn off the heat and prepare the bowl for it to go in. So turn off the heat. Oops. Off the heat. I don't know how I really put it. There it's off. And then once you've turned off the heat, give it a little quick stir. Got plenty of oil, definitely doesn't need any more grease in it, so we're done that. And here's our potatoes. And then here's our clean bowl. And I'm gonna get some paper towel for that bowl. So we got 2 pieces of paper towel for that bowl. Here's these. I'm gonna get them in the bowl and show you when they're done. Alrighty, so here's the food done, and just getting, a little bit of its grease soaked up here. And I'll make a bowl of this and show you when it's done. I hope you've enjoyed watching me cook my food. Bye! Here's the food after it's done. I'm gonna just scoop some of it for myself. Right here into this bowl. Plenty of both of the ingredients. Good. There's my breakfast. And then of course I make it extremely unhealthy. I mean, if it's not already unhealthy enough with all the cooking spray. But we have original syrup. And I just do this. And that's probably enough. Bon appetit. Bye, I'm gonna go eat my food now. Promise it's delicious, but I don't really like my face on camera, so I'm not taking a bite for you. Sorry, bye. I don't know. Anyway, this is Kreepy Critter, and I just want to say don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, have a wonderful day, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Share the video if you really enjoyed it. I'm Kreepy Critter. Those were potatoes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Almost done eating it now, and it was a little too salty.